Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start a new topic. Children are going to school. This is a poem. Children are going to school. It is a poem translated from बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं by Nida Fazli. The poem, it was originally written in Hindi. बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं. The poem written by this poem is written by Nida Fazli and it is translated in English. Children are going to school. Okay, so let's recite the poem, then I'll tell you. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again, the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Though the green topped branches sing their songs of blessing, fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hand, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam at this hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. For children are going to school. So this is the wonderful poem. See, children are ready to go to school. Okay, all over morning light spread on the earth. Once again, the sky bowed his head. The sky bowing his head, and they were. The sky is very happy. Okay, in respect to what? For children, because they are going to school. Okay, the sun after his morning dip in the river. Sun after his dip morning in the river, dressed up his golden muslin turban. See the sun when it looks like a he was dressed up in a golden muslin cloth. Muslin cloth with a kind of cotton fabric, soft cotton fabric. That is the muslin cloth. So here the sun after his morning dip in the river, sun taken a morning dip from the river. He is looking like a dressed up in a golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road. He is waiting on one side of the road that he just want to, he just waiting and smiling because children are going to school. He is very happy. Sun also, and sky also. What sky is doing? Sky bow his head in respect to children that they are going to school. He is very happy. Sun and sky. Through the green top branches of the what? Breezes sing their songs of blessing. Breezes, Vara. They were singing their songs of blessing for the children because they are going to school. Breezes is also happy. Sky, sun, breezes. So breezes are singing their songs of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. Fragrant flower, Fulanza Sugandha, fragrant flower. They were awakening the sleepy roads. The roads are sleeping, but fragrant flowers are awakening the sleepy road by their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in lush deep foliage. Lush deep foliage means people tree having the lush deep foliage means green leafy cover. The people is having people tree is having the green leafy cover. Foliage means green leafy cover. Waves in his hand. So it was like a wave in his hand. Different waves. Branches are green. So all there is a greenery everywhere. So people tree uh, is like a lush deep foliage, waves in his hand for children and boys. He people tree is also ready because children and he is also the people tree was also happy to see the children are by seeing the children are going to school. Okay. Angels of light have set out every road is a gleam at this hour. Gleam means shining bright. Every road is shining bright. Every element of the nature is happy because the children are going to school. See, at this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Every particle, small and small particle, it throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky for children are going to school. Pigeons are flying in the sky and every old roof, every element of the earth, every element of the nature is happy by seeing children are going to school. Okay. So this is a wonderful poem written by Nida Fazli. Now write down the words and their meanings. Only 3 words are there in Muslim. First word is Muslim. A kind of soft cotton fabric. Kind of soft cotton fabric. Foliage, greenery, leafy cover. Foliage. Foliage. Greenery. Leafy cover. Leafy cover. Foliage means greenery, leafy cover. A gleam means shining bright. A gleam means shining bright. Shining bright. So write down these words in your copy. Meaning. First word is muslin, a kind of soft cotton fabric. Foliage means greenery, leafy cover. A gleam means shining bright. Okay, write down these words. We will move towards the question answers. So first read the poem aloud. See, I'll recite the poem, you have to recite it. Okay. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Through the green top branches, breezes sing their songs of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush, deep foliage waves his hand, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam at his hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time, sitting on an old roof, flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. So in this way, you have to recite the poem. Read it with proper intonation. Now, second question is, find at least two things from the poem that show the following. From the poem, you have to write down what it shows. It is early morning. Early morning means light spreads over the earth. Question number 2 is answer. Question number 2. What the sentence is given here? It is early morning. See, it is already given in the question. It is early morning. So, for that, we have to write down the line from the poem. Light spreads over the earth. Light spreads over the earth. Light spreads over the earth. The atmosphere, two things, the sun after his morning dip. You can write the sun after his morning dip. Second one, the sun after his morning dip. After the sun after his morning dip in the river. Means morning dip in the river. So this is the first one, and second one is the atmosphere is pleasant. The atmosphere is pleasant. Second one. The atmosphere is pleasant. See, breezes sing. You have to write the line in related to this statement. Breezes sing their songs of blessing. Sing their songs of blessing. Songs of blessing. And second thing is fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads. With their melodies. So this is the second. Question number 2 was okay. And in respect to that, we have written line on the poem. Now, next question is, apart from the children, no other human beings are mentioned in the poem. However, many natural elements are shown to act like a person. Name them and also write what they do. Yes, sky. Natural element, the sky. Bowing his head. Then sun. After his morning dip in the river. Breezes sing their songs of blessing. Question number 4 is, draw a picture of the scene described in the poem. You have to draw whatever the description given in the poem, you have to draw one picture based on that, what we can say, poem. Morning light spreads on the children are going to school, people tree is there, so you have to draw these things. Okay. Yes. Draw a picture of the scene described in the poem. Whatever the scene is described in the poem, you have to draw one picture related to that. See, what is your homework? Now write down homework, write about how your family, your homework is. Right. About how your family. How your family. Write about how your family supports you to go to school. Supports you. To go to school. So this is the homework. Write about how your family supports you to go to school. Okay. Okay. Now do the homework. We'll do in the next period. Actually, yes, this topic is over. Means this poem is over. Question answers you have to write down. Okay. I have given you. Okay. So this is only homework. One question. Right? This is the personal response question. That's why you have to write down. Okay. Okay. Bye.